In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI from Elon Musk. This tool, developed to help streamline the way we interact with technology, offers a fascinating glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. Let's dive in and get started with this incredible AI platform. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Google serves as a trusty starting point for virtually any online journey, and today, it's where we're beginning our exploration of Grok AI. Once you're at the Google homepage, take a moment to get yourself settled in. Ready? Great. Now, let's move on to our next step, which is typing Grok into the Google search bar. You might wonder why it's just Grok and not something longer or more elaborate. Well, Grok is a unique term, originating from science fiction literature, which means to understand something intuitively or by empathy. Typing this term will guide us to the right destination, so go ahead and hit that Enter key. With the search results in front of you, the next thing you need to do is locate and click on the Grok website link. Usually, this should be among the top results, so it won't be hard to find. Clicking on this link will take you straight to the official Grok AI website, a hub of AI innovation and creativity, thanks to industry pioneers like Elon Musk. Once you've landed on the Grok website, it's time to create a prompt. Creating prompts is a key feature of using Grok AI, as it allows you to interact directly with the AI system. For this exercise, let's use the prompt, "What do you think the world will look like in 50 years?" This prompt not only provides a fascinating engagement with the AI, but also taps into future predictions, showcasing Grok's capability to handle complex queries. Type this prompt into the designated area on the website. Finally, with your prompt ready and waiting, the last step is to click Submit. This will send your prompt into the system, allowing Grok AI to analyze and respond. You might find the output insightful, thought-provoking, or even surprising. Make sure to consider its response carefully, as AI systems like Grok are designed to offer a new perspective to our technologically driven world. There you have it. You've just navigated the simple yet powerful process of using Grok AI. From starting on Google to submitting your first prompt, you are now equipped to explore the depths of this advanced tool and see firsthand how artificial intelligence is shaping our world. Don't hesitate to experiment with your own prompts to uncover even more possibilities with Grok AI. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring.